everyone, so today we are going to do a little shopping on Fashionphile for some Balenciaga bags. I've picked 10 really good ones for you guys. Stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name is Caleb, and on here you're going to find a lot of things like, I don't know, luxury shopping, reveals, reviews, unboxings, luxury travel, daily vlogs. Speaking of luxury travel, I need a vacation. Back on track. So if you're into that kind of content, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, sound off in the comments. Let me know if you're gonna buy any of today's bags, and find me over on Instagram, caleb.snell.designer. So if you guys remember, I think about a month ago, I did my top 20 picks of Louis Vuitton on Fashionphile, and you guys really reacted well to it, which was so exciting. And a few of you, cheeky folks, even bought a bag from the list, which I thought was so cool. Let's try it again with my favorite brand, Balenciaga. Now, you're asking yourself, Caleb, why are you showing us things from your personal wish list on Fashionphile for Balenciaga? Aren't you a big collector? You're right, I am. However, I would like to announce I am embarking, and I know everyone's going to cringe when I say the word because this word has been tossed around a lot lately, but I'm on a Chanel journey. I said it. Chanel journey. So yes, I've decided, I've already set up a savings account. I'm putting some money in, trying to decide which is the right bag for my first Chanel bag. I'm ready for it. I have, I've been climbing this ladder for a minute, and the last two rungs are what? Chanel and Hermès. So I'm almost to my Birkin and or Kelly. Well, and not or. First, I have to stop off at Chanel. I have to pay my respects to the house of Chanel before I move on to Hermès, at least in my crazy Rube Goldberg of a mind I do. With that said, I have to save my money, which is not something I'm used to doing. So I'm practicing self-control by helping you spend your money. You're welcome. The same setup as the last time. I think I don't have as many bags picked for you guys because that was a little crazy on my end. I think I picked like 20 some for you guys. Am I right? Yeah. Today we're only going to look at 10 Balenciaga bags. I'm a little bit lazy. It's midnight. I'm ready to be done filming, so we're gonna do this quick and dirty. And B, if I fall off my Chanel journey savings bandwagon, I can't share all of my secrets and desires as far as Balenciaga goes with you guys. I might want to buy something myself. Hashtag selfish. Get over it. So let's dive in. I have some really exciting things picked for you guys. We are going to look at several bags. I know when you think Balenciaga, you're thinking Moto Style, Demna Gavasalia weirdness. I have both of those for you, but I also have some curveballs, and I think you're going to appreciate them. So let's get started. The very first bag, we're also going to do price ascending. I mean, obviously, right? I mean, we've got to build up to it. We've got a big one at the end for you. So the very first one that I'm going to share with you guys is one that I already shared on my community page several months ago. I mean, probably 2 or 3, well, maybe 2, I don't know. And it's still on the website. It's one of their cheapest bags, and none of you have bought it yet. I told myself if it gets to X amount, I'm gonna buy it for myself just as a collector standpoint, but I'm trying to be better and more mindful and not just buy things to have them, but because I want to use them. Quite frankly, this doesn't work with my daily aesthetic, so I can't really justify buying it no matter how cheap it goes. You're probably wondering, what is it, Caleb? Come on, tell us already. I will. Be patient. This is the Balenciaga Metallic Calfskin Printed Clutch in the Multicolor. This bag was from the Autumn-Winter 2011 runway. Forget which look it was, but it's in the runway. You can watch it on Vogue, I promise. And it's pretty. It's gorgeous. Don't get me wrong, but it does not say Balenciaga, which could be a good thing, could be a bad thing, but it does scream quality, which is great. Overall, it's an amazing size, 13¼ long. 5¼ tall, and it says 1 inch in width, but we all know it's gusseted. You're gonna get your phone in there, your wallet, some keys, and your chapstick. What you need for a party anyway. Overall, it is absolutely stunning. I think that the more subtle, more neutral metallics are gorgeous. It has that fun limited edition plaque. It's number 90 of 122. You and only 122 other people in the world would have the same bag, and for only $200. As of right now, 20% off. Please buy it so I don't have to, please. Bag number 2 is also kind of a curveball. It's also a runway. Yes, it's from the Alexander Wang era. It's from his finale season. We can get past that. However, this bag to me is giving me jellyfish vibes. It is so cool. It's the satin backpack in beige. The whole runway looked like this aesthetic. It's really cool. Only $300, mind you. That's a pretty good deal. Granted, it's a satin backpack, so how useful is that? You be the judge. You buy it and let me know. Anyway, the bag is really cute. It's satin. It's giving me jellyfish, octopus, ballerina vibes. We're here for it. It's pretty cute, quite honestly. Personally, I would be a little afraid of how it would wear, but that's just me. I think it's super cool from a collector's standpoint. It would be neat to have something from a finale runway. That'd be kind of a vibe, right? And it's $300 and it's only in 35 other carts, so get it while you can. They have had this on the website for a minute, and for some reason they haven't lowered the price. So, you know, they're supposed to lower it like every 30 days. Do I fully believe that? No, not really. I think they kind of pick and choose what they want to discount. Anyway, that's beside the point. It's from 2016. Overall, it's a good size. It's a backpack. You're going to get what you need in there. It's utilitarian, yet still graceful at the same time. And it's $300. Balenciaga. Can't go wrong. So moving up the price ladder. This is a joke. Do you guys remember when I had that really bad unboxing? What was that, last October? It's the same bag. Link down in the description for that unboxing. So next up, you know, when you think of Balenciaga, you're thinking like that cool, chunky Moto style leather, right? Well, rethink that because I'm gonna throw a curveball, and this is the Mesh Medium Bazar Shopper Tote in blue. I'm living for blue right now for some reason. It's my vibe, it's my color, and this bag is honestly pretty cool. I think this would be fun, like festival vibes. Throw your stuff in there easily. Maybe they can check it at the gate. I know a lot of times you have to have like a clear bag for like concerts and things, so maybe this would fall into that realm. Maybe, right? I don't know. Maybe it's a stretch. Anyway, they have it marked down 30% to $505. This bag is relatively new. It's a 2017. Dimensions, they're super reasonable. It's 14 3/4 in length, 14 3/4 in height, which wouldn't that make it a perfect square? It looks more like a north-south shopper tote. Anyway, I'm not good at math. 7 inches in depth and a drop of 8 1/4 for the handle. Really useful tote, nice and light, perfect for summer, also probably perfect for pickpockets, but we don't allow negative thinking around here. Comes with a dust bag, and you're only competing with 6 other shoppers. It's only in 6 other carts, so there's still a very good chance that you could become the next owner of the Mesh Medium Bazar Shopper Tote in blue. My hair's blue. Bride Wars? No? Okay. Next up, we have the Balenciaga Calfskin Triangle Flap Shoulder Bag in black. Again, another new-ish bag from 2017. I'm digging this one because I think the triangle motif, especially with what Prada is doing right now, is really back in style. Granted, Balenciaga did give us the triangle bags a few years ago. I myself have the triangle clutch in blue. I love blue. I think this is a really cool bag. It's a nice classic. I think that you can easily, you know, get a lot in there. It's gusseted. It's a classic design. It looks like you can even remove the strap and just do like a really cool oversized clutch, which I like. I'm kind of into that. So overall, this one is 11.5 inches in length, 7.5 inches tall, 4.5 inches deep, a strap drop of 6.5, and it comes with a dust bag. This one hasn't been discounted yet. Will it go fast? It's $610, probably not. So you could probably put this in your watch list and at least let it get to 5 or 10%. I might recommend doing that. This isn't a highly sought after Balenciaga style, but it's gorgeous. I think the quality speaks for itself. It's nice, classic, it's understated. And unless you know, this one's gonna be a little bit hard to clock as a Balenciaga because it's only stamped Balenciaga in the bottom corner, which I'm kind of here for. All right, so now we've moved up to that price point where you're going to find the classic Moto styles in good condition, and I have a few for you guys in different sizes and styles because I know we all have different lifestyles, wants, needs, what we're looking for in a bag. So I wanted to pick at least 3 good ones to give you guys some variety. So of course, without fail, the very first stop we're going to make on this train is the classic City Bag. I love the City Bag. I myself only have 2, which is not nearly enough. I have a gray and a purple. Love them to death. Both great bags. I have reviews on both in a comparison with the Work Bag, which we're going to talk about here in a minute. But the first one that I've picked for you guys, it is in the color mauve, which is a 2013 color. And this one's only $625. And you're like, Caleb, only $625. It's in really good condition. And it's going to come with its dust bag, strap, mirror. It's nearly a complete set. I mean, you'd be crazy not to get it. I'm speaking to myself actually on this one. If I didn't already have a Raisin City, I might be more inclined to derail my Chanel train and get this real quick before I fully commit. But it is in beautiful condition. There is some corner wear, which unfortunately you're going to find on 98% of older Balenciaga Moto style bags. Can't be helped. It's a bummer, but you just kind of have to live with it. It's part of the look. if you will. And this one has the giant gold hardware, which pops off the mauve. I absolutely love this bag. Now, if you're looking for something a little bit bigger, I found a gorgeous electric yellow classic hardware work bag. I myself have the marine blue with the giant gold hardware, giant 21. This one's going to be a little bit more understated. You have the classic hardware. The work bag is a fantastic size. Like it looks huge in photos, but quite personally, it fits everything I need with a little room to spare, which is great. So don't let the dimensions scare you. It's actually a really conveniently sized bag. Once you get it in person, it's not nearly as big as it looks on photos. But this color, it's absolutely gorgeous. The corners are perfect. I might have to put this on reserve. I really like this bag. Again, classic color, 2014, probably spring or summer, judging by the electric shade of yellow they've used. Handles are in pristine mint condition. The ropes are good. The corners are good. Comes with a mirror, so you are gonna miss the dust bag. The work bag does not come with a strap, which a lot of people do gripe about. If you're looking for a larger bag and you want a strap, look for a part-time. I don't have one on this list for you guys, but the part-time is a really good, bigger than a city, not quite as big as a work bag, still has the shoulder strap, so definitely check out the part-time. If you're feeling adventurous and you like color, buy this work bag so I don't have to, please. It just hit the website today, so for those of you who are like me and like to put things on reserve, I myself don't need it right then and there. I have 40, 50, 60 bags to pick from, so I like to put things on reserve, pay them slowly over time because I don't need them tomorrow. It's a want, not a need, so I'm gonna take my time. If you're in the same boat, you only have, well, today when I'm filming this, 5 days, so by the time this airs, probably tomorrow. So get this on your watch list so you can put it in your cart. So next up, I put this on because Julie from Agent Bag Reviews loves the Velo. This bag is the perfect size. No, I don't have one in my collection yet. Blasphemy, I know. I would like one. However, I'm on my Chanel journey, so it's gonna be a minute. Anyway, so this bag, it is gorgeous. Now, for those of you who are looking for crossbody, ease of use with the classic city handheld look, this is the one for you. And the color Rose Jaipur is stunning. Like, this bag is gorgeous. I have Rose Bonbon, which is a little bit more hot pink compared to this. This is a little bit more understated for a bright shade of pink. I don't know if those words go together. Anyway, as you can tell, this bag is absolutely stunning. The corners are in really, honestly, nearly perfect condition, which is surprising for such a bright color. And you get the crossbody strap. I think you get the mirror. Yep, you get the mirror. It's stunning. The only thing you're missing is the dust bag, which is a bummer, but as all of you know, when you order from Fashionphile, whether it has a dust bag or not included with the bag, you get the Fashionphile dust bag as well, which I have a wealth of Fashionphile dust bags, but they honestly really do come in handy. When it comes to buying vintage Balenciaga, and I don't know if I probably mentioned this in my Balenciaga guide, link down below, you don't want to miss it. Do not buy older Balenciaga without the mirror. You will never find the matching mirror, no matter how hard you look. The best that I've ever come to finding a replacement mirror on the second pre-owned market was a black one. And I think they were asking for like $200 or $300 for just the mirror. And not only that, but you also have to make sure that the hardware on the mirror matches your bag. And there could be the classic hardware, gold, silver, holiday limited editions. You will literally, I promise you, never find a missing mirror. Don't try. Why people separate mirrors from their bags, I do not know. Shame on you if you do that. I'm looking at you. Okay, rant over. Long story short, what did we learn? Yes, don't buy a bag without the mirror. The Velo tote, $630. Would I wait for this one to discount? Absolutely not. It's a pink, it's a giant hardware, mint condition, has the mirror, has the strap. Don't wait. Buy the bag, I promise you. It will not go down, you will only miss out. It's already in 13 other carts, but reserve is only 158, so do what you will with that information. So next up, now that we're kind of towards the top end of the Balenciaga Fashionphile price range, we're now at $895. And this bag is the Shiny Box Calfskin. Shiny Box Calfskin Small B Bag in Fluo Pink. It's gorgeous. I actually saw this on someone at the Rosemont outlet, not in the pink, she had the black one on. And quite honestly, it's super cute. It's giving me Celine box bag vibes, which I'm totally here for and at half the price. So this might be a good alternative. Also, you can remove the crossbody strap and it could be a handheld wristlet clutch thing. It's so stinking cute. I was this close to wanting one and then I talked myself out of it. Also, Zane helped. This bag is teeny tiny. It's a small bag, I'm not gonna lie to you. 7 1/4 in base length, 6 inches tall, and a strap drop of 10 inches. So she's small, she's petite. She's not your everyday cash and carry. She's condensed. There's the word. English language. It's failing me tonight. Anyway, at $895, I think this bag is discontinued now. Maybe, don't quote me on that, I need to look. However, this one comes with the dust bag and the retail tags attached. And according to Fashionphile, they have not said what the original retail was, and I don't remember either. I want to say like 1,000 or 12, somewhere in there. This bag, super stinking cute. It is compartmentalized. You'll have 3 compartments. You'll have a zipper one in the middle, and then when you open, you'll have kind of a slip pocket and then a slip compartment in the center as well. Overall, really cute bag, good for going out. It's versatile. The retail tags are attached. Did I mention that? For only $895. Dust bag, super cute. You could reserve this one for $224. Again, I don't know that this is really a style that a lot of people are going for, so maybe let it hit that 5–10% off before you commit. I don't really see this one holding its value, but it's still super cute. I love the bags, the newer ones with the B on the front. I myself have the Napa quilted, flappy, puffy pillow clutch thing. It's cute, it's a vibe, we're here for it. So next up, and this bag is actually on my wish list. I tried this on at the Balenciaga boutique here on Michigan Avenue in Chicago. I fell in love. It is stunning. This is the Balenciaga Agno La Cagole mini purse in lipstick pink. So this bag I've actually tried on, I've looked at it. It is still in retail stores for $13.50. Same price as it is on Fashionphile, so are you better off just buying it brand new? Absolutely. But this is a bag that I myself really want, so I'd be remiss not to put it on my list. It is so stinking cute. It can actually fit a pretty decent sized iPhone. It's 9 inches in length, 4.5 inches tall, 2 inches in width, has a strap drop of 16.25, and it also comes with a small chain strap, so that way you can kind of like, you know, hand hold it, put it on your shoulder, crook your arm kind of thing. Carry it as a clutch. This bag, you guys, is so freaking cute. I really want this bag, Zane. My birthday's in a few months.
That's not what I have chosen.
Anyway, I think it's super cute. Are you overpaying for something that someone else might have used once or twice? Absolutely. They are saying that it's new, so it has some protective plastic stickers intact. Comes with the dust bag and strap. Just hit the website today, so you have a few more days till you can put it on reserve. Is it worth paying this price to be used? No, just go and get it new, but at the same time, it's gorgeous. I just want one. So next up and last on this list is an Hourglass bag. And not just any Hourglass. Technically this should belong on a Gucci list, so you already know where I'm going. This is the Balenciaga x Gucci GG Supreme Monogram Medium Hourglass Top Handle Bag in beige ebony. It is stunning, and it is currently priced at a cool, low amount. This is an opportunity buy, you guys. Don't let it pass you by. $5,395. And it's worth every penny. I'm just kidding. This is a bag, you guys, that I'm kicking myself that I couldn't get my hands on in the first place. As we all know, I got a Balenciaga Gucci bag. I got a Gucci Balenciaga wallet. I'm happy, I'm content, I guess. But the Hourglass, that's a total flex. And if you have one, consider sending me one for my 34th birthday in October. I'm kidding, but I'm not really. Please send me. Anyway, you guys, gorgeous. It's a flex. It's totally cool. I mean, if it's good enough for Carrie Bradshaw to wear with her clogs, it's good enough for me. Right? I mean, she ran into Natasha wearing this bag. So this comes with the dust bag, comes with the strap. I mean, at over $5,000, it should definitely come with something. It's gorgeous. And this is a good place to end. It's an Hourglass, which is kind of Balenciaga's it bag right now. It's ludicrously expensive. It's everything. I love this bag. All right, you guys, so those were my top 10 picks of what's on Fashionphile right now to buy as far as Balenciaga goes. What did you think? What are you buying? Let me know in the comments, because unfortunately, I cannot join you in your shopping spree. I will be shopping with you from a distance. So I'm very excited to see what you guys get. Let me know what you think. Are there other bags that I should have included? Let's talk about it in the comments. Until next time, you guys, stay safe, have fun. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.